Nah, listen what them a say, what them a say. Them why hear say me feel, but that them nah hear no deal. 'Cause right now, me nah no worries. Gotta deal with everything. Gotta deal.
Hey guys, what's up? What go on? Don't mind my crusty lips. But hey guys, what's up? We're gonna come back to our channel, guys. I know it has been ages, me know, but your girl is back. Really, I don't have much excuse more than the fact that life has just been really hectic for me with work and everything. YouTube for me is not a regular job, or it's not even a job for me. I just do it for fun. So when my life gets hectic with the job that really helped me to make a living, then I have to put the fun on pause. But guys, I am back. Did you guys miss me? Because I missed you guys. But anyways, any eyeshadow work, well, just a little bit, maybe just a little bit, but I want to show you guys, as the title suggests, my summer foundation routine. Guys, Jamaica has been so hot. I want to pull up my hair. I'm like, ah. if earth is this hot, can you imagine hell? I don't want to go there. Let's get on to the video without chatting or whatever. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course guys, press that share button, press that subscribe button, press the bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. Let's get these chap lips together and start with the video. So I want this to be a talk through just because we haven't talked in a while. Of course, I can't do you guys that. So lips are moisturized and ready for makeup. I'm going to go ahead and apply my base, not the foundation but the primer and all of that stuff, because guys, one time I usually think that primer don't work, but primer do work. I've been adding this Embryolisse. This is Creme, Concentre. Anyways, this is in French and I don't speak French, patois or English, but it's basically a multi-use moisturizer. I bought one for myself, and I think I'm going to buy the bigger size for my kit. I just wanted to see how it works. So of course guys, you have to moisturize because you don't want your skin to produce more oils because it thinks that it's dry. So of course, moisturize. So every skin tone, no matter if you're oily combination or dry, always moisturize your skin. To apply my primer, and of course I have to use a mattifying primer. Without a doubt, I definitely have to use a mattifying primer, and this is the Becca Evermatte, the Becca rubbed off. But guys, I've had this for about a year now, and I still have about half of the products left. So it's pricey, but it's worth it, you know what I mean? I'm going to go ahead and apply this in the area that I get the most oily, and for most of us that's our T-zone. So alright, next thing I'm going to do is set my primer. So I don't really put primer around the rest of my face. I know I should prime everywhere, but hey. But if you want a primer that I've been loving for the summer, is this Cover FX blurring primer that looks like this. Oh my god, you guys can't even see it because of the light, but I got it in my BoxyCharm, and it's just a blurring primer. I don't really have super large pores, so I'm not even worried about that right now. I'm worried about the oils on my skin. So we're gonna go to Sacha, and you guys know this is one of my favorite products of all time. Conceal. Wait, I think that this is a bit too dark, guys, honestly. Alright, that's brighter. Alright, so yes, we're going to the Sacha. This is a translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder that you have, and I'm just going to use a damp sponge and just set my primer, and basically I'm pushing the powder into my skin. I'm not going to take it directly under my eyes just because I have dry under eyes. I learned this from Auntie Jackie, and it actually works, you guys. It actually works. And I like to put this on my brow area, especially because I don't know why, but my brows do get greasy. Lucky me. Just came off the road, so my brows are already done, and that's why I have on lashes and everything. This is like, if you happen to see me on the road, this is how you're going to see me. Eyebrow and lashes most of the time, guys, because to be honest, I hardly wear makeup. I'm going to take my favorite brow pencil, and this is from LA Girl, guys. It's super slim. It's called their Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and I have it in the shade GB360 Black. Alright, if you guys want to know, I got this in Jamaica in a wholesale at Clock Tower Plaza. So I'm just using this to just straighten up my brows because they're already done. Okay guys, so that's it for my brows. My primer and everything should be settled into my skin and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to jump into my foundation. And if you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know which foundation I'm going to be using. I'll be using the Revlon Color Stay, and this is in the shade 440 Mahogany. This one is about to finish, if you guys can tell. So I ordered one online, and you guys, like, it's the same shade, batch number and everything, but the new one is actually lighter than the old one. I'm so upset because the old one is actually my complexion. I'm so upset. But anyways, moving along. So I'm going to take the old one, the little that's left, and I'm going to pump 2 pumps on the back of my hand like that. So that's my foundation, you guys. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply concealer, and again, I'm not going to use a lot. To be honest, I've been using the Colourpop no filter concealer, but guys, it's not here with me right now. It's in my room and I'm not going to get up. Hush, hush. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I love that one too. Anyone works. I usually interchange them, so it doesn't matter. But I tend to use the Colourpop one more than the LA Girl. So I'm not going to do that fancy triangle thing. I haven't been doing that of late. I just want the concealer there, and then I blend it out, and basically placing it in the areas that I really want it to go, like directly under my eyes, because girl, sleepless nights doing homework and stuff like that, because I've been taking short courses at UE for the summer, just to, you know, extend or expand my portfolio. So, but those classes have ended, thank you Jesus, and so I have more time for everything else. I'm going to bake with the Sacha Buttercup, which is basically my favorite setting powder. You guys know this, right? I have dry under eyes, but I'm going to bake on the highest part of my cheek, this area right here, and of course along the sides of my nose. So my face has been baking for a while. I'm going to go ahead and contour my forehead, my 5 head, my 10 head, the hollows of my cheek, and anywhere else that I need to add color to, like the bridge of my nose. Alright, so I'm going to take, what am I going to take? My Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1 from Juvias Place, of course. If you watch my channel, then of course girl, you know this. Guys, I'm sweating. I really want to turn on the fan, but it's going to be loud and I don't want to mess up my video. Alright, let's hurry up and get this over with. So now I'm going to go in with the Juvias palette, and I'm going to use that as my blush. Okay. You know what, forget it. I'm going to use this shade right here, and this is a Neo, and it's like a orangey brown shade. I'm going to use that for my blush. Can you guys see that? Yeah. What am I going to do now? Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and brush off the areas that I baked with the Sacha Buttercup and just blend everything together so that everything is seamless. Yes, yes. Yo. This heat is testing my makeup. This heat right now is testing what I'm saying about long-lasting, sweat-proof summer foundation. Cause guys, I am sweating, girl. I am my breasts are sweaty. I am sweating, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? What have I done? Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. Alright, guys, I'm not even going to do anything with my eyes, because it's like when you have on lashes, it's like, and your eyebrows is snatched. Like, girl, you don't need no eyeshadow. You do not need any eyeshadow. Do I want to put on eyeliner? Yeah, just a tad bit of eyeliner. For my brow and my eyeliner, girl, LA girl is my girl. Yeah, so I'm going to line lightly the bottom of my, well, my lower lash line. Jesus. Guys, I just poked myself in the eye because I was too lazy to sharpen the pencil. Let me sharpen the pencil. I'm going to sharpen. It's okay. It's fine. Are you happy now? Happy? Alright. Guys, if you see this eyeliner, don't sleep on it. It's super creamy and super pigmented, and it lasts a long time. Sometimes I wash my face and Jesus, guys, I don't know if you can see the sweat on my forehead, but I am sweating. Yeah, but as I was saying, sometimes I wash. This is not a professional video, guys. This is real life. Alright, this is real life. I'm hot, I'm sweating, my makeup is bomb. But yeah, alright, let's finish the video, guys. Got this Ofra liquid lipstick in my BoxyCharm that I really love, and I want to put it on. So I'm going to take my OG favorite bomb lip liner, which is the LA Girl, which is the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade Peach. I'm going to use that to line my lips. So this is the Ofra liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Verona. I got it in my BoxyCharm, and it's just like the perfect nude for brown girls. Alright guys, so my battery died, but all I did was to finish highlighting my face. I did the highest part of my cheekbones, along the bridge of my nose, the inner part of my eye. What's that called? What's it called? Whatever it's called, in here. And I also put a little on my chin and a little on my forehead, and this completes the look, guys. Tell me if you guys like it. I think it's just a very simple look But girl, when I tell you it's slaying, it is slaying. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification. Maybe me ask too much. Just only tell me, am I asking too much of you guys? Let me know. Let's talk, because I don't understand why you guys are not subscribed. As a matter of fact, subscribe now. I'll wait. Thanks, girl.
Me nah no problem. Now worry about none of them. Now worry about none of them. Boy.
Why you worry when God a work? If one minute but everything a work, still a work. We still a win when them sit down a lurk. You are mad over my lifestyle, girl.